Hey, welcome back to my channel. Last tutorial we covered the spin tool and used it to create a 3D model of a lamp. And in this tutorial we're going to do something similar but use a different method. We're going to actually shape a cylinder and form it to create a Christmas light. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we did it. That concludes part one of our tutorial on creating a model of a Christmas light, and we will put the finishing touches on it in part two of this tutorial series. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon. Let's continue on with our journey.